Check this one. Show that product of perpendicular distances from the origin to the pair of straight lines. See, previously pair of straight line was ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. That means the lines which passes through origin was given to us earlier. Now the line is big. That means those lines are again pair of straight lines, but they are not passing through origin. If they are passing through origin, that time the equation may be of the form only 3 terms will be there. Ax square plus 2h. Now how many terms are there? 6 terms are there. Whenever 6 terms are there, that also represent pair of straight lines, but that has constants n1 and n2. In the first theorem, what we have, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 represents pair of lines, that is L1x plus M1y equal to 0 and L2x plus M2y equal to 0. Now what we have to do is, let dy square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0 represents pair of straight lines, that is L1x plus M1y plus N1 equal to 0 and is equals to 0. This is the second kind. We have done earlier one problem based on this type. 2g into 2h into 2f problem, na? Multiplied, that multiplication you need to remember. So same thing, this implies whatever line we have considered equal to this equals L1x is multiplied to all the 3 terms, L1 M2xy plus L1 N2x, then M1y is multiplied to all the 3 terms, M1 L2xy plus M1 M2y square plus y, plus N1 is multiplied to first one, N1 L2x plus N1 M2y, N1 N2. Now we will consider common first x square term, then xy term. These 2 terms have xy, so I am taking common L1 M2 plus M1 L2 into xy plus y square term, M1 M2 y square. Then next term, whatever terms has x, we have to take common. X common, L1 N2 plus N1 L2 plus y common, M1 N2 plus N1 M2 y plus N1 N2. So this one we got for ax square plus 2hxy dy square plus c. See, when we have a equation, pair of line equation, what we have done? We have to consider 2 lines, L1x plus M1y plus N1 and L2x plus M2y plus N2. The 2 equations we have to multiply, then we have to equate coefficients now. To equate them, visibility is too much low. Comparing both sides, if we compare both sides, what we will do? We will compare x square, cancelled. A is L1 L2, then 2h, xy cancelled, 2h is L1 M2 plus B. Y square cancelled. B is 2G. L1 N2 2F C is equals to product of perpendicular distances from origin they have given. That means D1 and D2 again we have to find. D1 is equals to perpendicular distance from origin means 0, 0 to the line. What is the line? 1 L1x plus, and the perpendicular formula is distance formula ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. In this x1 y1 is origin and a b c are points. So a x1 plus b y1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. So in numerator we have n1 and divided by root over l1 square plus n1 square. Then d2. d2 is equals to perpendicular distance from origin to line 2. That equals to n2 divided by root over l1 square plus l2 square plus m2 square. These are the two distances, perpendicular distances. Now what we have to find? Product of perpendicular distances. Yes, we have to multiply d1 and d2. After simplifying this one, we need to get this answer modulus c by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Now in numerator what we have? Both are in modulus, so single modulus n1 n2 divided by single root. Now first one square, second one square, first one into second one, second one first one, second one into second one. Now when we have such four terms, what we need to add? 2 L1 N2 M1 M2 and minus 2 L1 N2 M1 M2. Those who are present that day, they know this one. Then N1 N2 divided by root over, this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. A minus b whole square plus what I said, you will remember, L1 N2 plus M1 N2 whole square, second bit. These two terms only you will get always. This is the third time we are using the same thing here. Now this will be C. N1 N2 is C value. root over this one is a minus b. This is 2h whole square, 4h square. So this is the theorem which you need to remember.